Well, here's the custom built Pentium 3 Windows 95 machine, and I've got to do some maintenance to it. This piece of crap CD drive likes to stick. If there's a disc in there, it'll open, but when it's closed, it'll stick, and you can eject it using a paper clip, or sometimes if you whack the top of the machine, it'll open. The fan on the side seized up, and it's now completely screwed. And I'm just going to do a few things to it, so yeah. I'm also going to install the SIG Soundwave card that the D-Man 216 sent me. So yeah, I am going to stop the video and open this thing up. So until then, here's something I realized about this computer. Here's this slot where the IBM synth card is, the first slot in the system. Now what I learned about the first slot is it shares an IRQ address with slot 1, slot 5, and the IRQ for the sound. So if you have the onboard sound, which is total crap, it's all done in software. It just totally sucks. I don't like software synthesis. I like good old FM synthesis and real live wavetable instead of just simulated wavetable. Anyway, the reason the IBM synth card wasn't doing good is because it was on the first slot with the shared IRQ. Now, the second slot and the fourth slot both have their, this one has its own IRQ, this one has its own IRQ. And the third slot, that shares an IRQ with the USB controller, and no, what else was it? It shares with the USB controller, and I think it was the USB controller and the Ethernet decoder controller thing. That's what the third slot does. So now I'm going to have to knock out one of these stupid plates in this piece of crap cheap case. And I just robbed a PCI cover from the old cold forgotten dimension over there. I also had to rob its power supply because a cheap piece of crap Chinese power supply decided to die. So, but this power supply does not have the white cable for ISA. The optional ISA slot isn't really soldered on. It's a piece of crap. Well, no, it's not a piece of crap. This ISA is crap, and I guess Intel didn't want to use it. Even though I have tons of ISA freaking Ethernet cards, but this one has onboard Ethernet, even though it's, I guess you could call it 10100. But even this piece of crap does better. It's just a riser card. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how to get rid of one of these little slotty crap things. Slotty. No weird comments about that. Crap. I despise this screwdriver a lot down here. I hate it. So just sitting around. I reckon you'll need a kind of a miniature crowbar. Yeah. It's about like the size of a flat screwdriver in the end. And find the desired slot. Right? So, actually, take it. Oh shit. Turns out I missed and I hit the support and I have no brain. Spin it right back. Ah, crap. Okay. Try that again. And then, once you have dislodged it, just Oh crap. Double crap. Triple crap. Screw it, I'm just gonna rip it off. I was hoping I would get it off non-violently, but I had to grab it and rip it off. After probably screwing something up. Oh well. Anyway. Oh, still have the screw in there. I despise these cases that have the slots that you have to knock out to install a card. Like, I've pretty much destroyed this one after messing up the plate beside it. Probably have to replace that with a real slot. Oh, come on. So cheap, even the China logo is wearing off. This case is such a piece of crap. I never want to use it again. Or deal with it again, I mean. Of course I'll still use it, I just hate using it. Come on. Spread, you piece of shit. Usually you can install these with your hand, but this one's extra tough, I guess. Not exactly the best holder in the world. Yep, got a nice slot there. You can see I don't exactly have matching screws, but whatever. Okay. Now, I'll move all these cards. Oh yeah, one more thing I was going to do was put this IDE Firewire controller in so I can use and make full use of this ATA 100 drive, because this board for some reason only runs at ATA 66 speeds, even though it says it's capable, but it isn't. Oh, the things Intel says about their crap. Indeed, crap it is. Oh, I guess I had a spare thing sitting here after all. Didn't have to rob one. Oh, well, screw it. It's done now. So now we take the card. Here's a good look at it. It's a SIG Soundwave. I think it's Pro Audio. No, it's it's a SIG PCI Pro Audio 128A12. From what I remember. I can't be too sure. So, to you noobs who don't know how to install a sound card, first, you line it up. Second, push it into the slot. If your case is not deformed as this one is. And oh crap, I just noticed something that's kind of interesting. That is not full PCI length on the back there. You'll notice it's a little shorter than the actual slot. Interesting. But now, if my damn case would line up, which I don't think it's going to do anytime soon. Come on, get in there. What a piece of crap case. Can't even install a card in it. There. There are cards in there for the most part. Piece of junk case, doesn't really line up at all with the card, as you can see in there. Here's the card. Son of a bitch, camera stopped. Oh my god. I cannot for the life of me get that card to stay where it is. but that's why they made screws. Just use a normal screw instead of a stupid white one or a black one. Okay, it's making me sound racist, but I'm not. Oh, okay. Oh, what do you know? No, what do you know? But actually, put the screw in, move the card to where it is supposed to be aligned, so it is fairly secure. Oh, okay then. Interesting. So now our card is installed with another mismatched screw. I mean, it's not even the usual like hexagon shape. I think that's hexagon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's hexagon. It's not the usual hexagon shape, it's just round. Kind of weird. But yeah, now the card's in there, and I'm just going to make sure that there is no jumpers out of their proper configuration. Oh yeah, and I screwed up the hard drive LED, so I'm going to fix that here too. Actually, I don't think I'm going to replace this CD-ROM drive. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an ATA66 cable and hook it up to this hard drive, because this can't really make use of this 80 wire cable when that machine there can. This one right here. It's using an ATA66 cable, even though it supports full ATA133. So I might switch that around too. So yeah. There it is with it installed. So yeah. Alright, we'll stop the video and do some more configuration, and when I get it working right, I'll yeah, finish up. So until then, put this piece of crap case back together. So yeah. See if I got the hard drive LED right. That doesn't need to be in there. Oh, got it. Password here. Got keyboard. Oh, shoot. And there's the. Let's see if it finds drivers. Floppy drive's kind of screwed up. Yeah, whatever. I'll install the drivers later. Hard drive's been howling back. Internet Explorer 4.0. Got all the crap on this thing. Now, this is really cool. This is a standard USB drive. Now, the front panel USB is not what I'd call in working condition, but the back works fine. It's not detecting that I plugged it in. Or did it? Oh yeah, it did. SIG sound wave. Probably with the Win95 driver. Okay, unzipped those. Now we can pull the drive. We will. Or will we? Oh, where did it unzip them to? It depends. It probably. Oh yeah, it unzipped them to the drive. Alright, so we'll pull this. No blue screen of death. Happy about that. Because nobody likes those. Set up. Try this one first. Looks. Come on. I'll restart my computer later. Finish.